Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Go 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker in your iPhone. At first you need to open the App Store, then head over to search and tap it till you see your keyboard. Now you need to type JBL Portable. Then search. As you can see here, we've got this JBL Portable application from Harma International Music. I think it was this developer. Doesn't matter actually. Here, and what you need to look for when searching for this app are ratings. This application has to have minimum 2.2k ratings and 4.5 stars. Maybe I don't really think that it's objective, but it needs to have at least 2.2k ratings. And of course you can check the developer by scoring here and developer. How International Industries, not music, sorry. Here you should see the button called install or get. Tap this get button and then you'll need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password or Touch ID depending on the device. I've got this cloud because I've had this application installed previously, but now it's uninstalled. Now once you tap it, the installation will begin. You need to now just wait till it ends. Then hit open and wait till the intro finishes. Select, tap get started and accept every single thing. Select allow. Here, if you don't want to reset notifications, just tap don't allow, and now you are done. As you can see here, we've got every single thing. That's it. Goodbye.